My name's Elliot Valley. I'm a skills tutor in Dog Grooming Level 2 and Level 3. Level 2 is a course that brings starters of the grooming. So that'll be bathing, drying, a bit of styling, but not too much. What that course actually does as well, it actually kind of gets you through the door in other groomings. Level 3 is more of the styling. So actual brief standard, what you see in crufts, and mostly the finishing of the grooms. You have to actually get a merit overall for Level 2 to go into Level 3. For the exams, you have a set of practical exams and a theory exam. And what that comes with is bathing, a bit of styling and prep work. For the do work experience, Level 2 is 60 hours and Level 3 is 120 hours. You do have to work in a parlour. If you can't, then probably a kennel that does some type of grooming. This college brings obviously a business side. This is a working parlour. So we do have customers that come in, so they get that kind of prep of when they do go in the real world, or if they have their own business or work for someone, they can understand how to talk to customers. There's teachers who have been in industry and business, so you get the full environment of actually a working parlour.
Hi, my name is Tamsin. I am doing Dog Grooming Level 3. I've recently finished Level 2 and I mostly chose this as a trade option rather than sixth form, as it can lead to close enough to immediate employment. I chose the college opposed to a sixth form because I prefer hands-on learning. Also, the college structure days really provides in other opportunities to find a job or to get work experience placements. The staff so far have been amazing. They're all very professional and incredibly helpful with everything we need to know. For future plans, I am mostly interested in maybe going to veterinary nursing or zoology at university.
I'm Lindsay, I'm a mature student here and I decided to study the dog grooming course. I did Level 2 last year and I'm doing Level 3 this year. And I'm actually in the veterinary industry myself, but I wanted to do something else with my skills and potentially look to going into setting up my own business in dog grooming as well. The tutors are all great, it's quite a friendly place and it's given me the skills that I set out to get.
Most students that we do have here have actually gone and progressed into having their own businesses. Also gone to the top groomers around Cambridgeshire.